Bob Race here with Skull Shaver, and today we're going to check out the Palm Shaver. The Palm Shaver is a cordless shaver powered by a lithium-ion battery that gives you 60 minutes of runtime. The top of the shaver has an LED light showing you the charge. Green means it is good. When the light turns red, you have less than 10 minutes of operation left. The Palm Shaver comes with a 3-head CR3 blade. Each of the shaving heads pivots and flexes, allowing the blade to contour to your head or face. The shaver's design gives you a couple of options for grips. You can hold it in between your fingers like this, making it convenient to shave the back of your head. Or you can hold the top of the handle like this, which is convenient for shaving the top of your head, sides of your head, or your face. With the shaver, you can shave dry or you can shave wet. The unit is water resistant, so you can use it in the shower. Included with the Palm Shaver, the nose and hair trimmer tames those unwanted hairs. Each Palm Shaver comes with a USB cable for charging. Simply plug this side into the back of the shaver and the other side into any USB port from a computer, battery pack, or the optional wall adapter. The Pitbull and Palm Shavers have blades that are easily replaceable. Simply hold the blade, turn the blade 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and pull away from the main unit to separate. To replace the blade, simply insert the blade and turn 1/4 turn clockwise to lock the blade into place. The CR3 blade has 3 heads that pivot and flex to contour your face or head. To clean your CR3 blade, separate the blades and just rinse underwater. While you are shaving, the design of the blades will capture the hair inside the blade chambers. To get the best performance and to keep the blade as sharp as possible, we recommend rinsing while you are shaving. To keep the blades clean and sharp, you can use the optional available rinse stand. To rinse the blades, simply turn the shaver on and dip the running blades into the water. Let it run a few seconds and the blades will push out the hair clippings. If you're looking for a convenient, smooth shave in around 90 seconds, check out the Palm Shaver from Skull Shaver.
Alright, so once you get this from Amazon, this is how it comes. It comes in this really nice case. Makes it easy for some portability, and you can basically travel with this, take this anywhere. Inside of here we do have a couple pieces. What I really like about this is how small this thing is. Very small, compact, fits in your hand real nicely. So as you guys can see, it does have a couple different attachments in here. What's really great is it has this LED display down here. It's the perfect tool for not only shaving your beard, but you can use this in your nose as well, and you can even use this on your actual head. It is also waterproof. So inside of here we do have quite a few little attachments for various things. Like I said, this one here would be used for your hair. This could be for your beard. Also comes with this nice little brush here. This would be a nose hair trimmer. It does have a nice little cover here to actually protect the blades. So if you're ever traveling with this thing, you can go ahead and put that little cover on. It fits nicely right inside of here. And then of course it does have a USB charger, super fast charging. And it also has this little cleaning brush as well. What I like about this is that it's completely painless, low noise, hypoallergenic, and it's super easy to use. It just has this one little button here. It has the nice little digital display down here. And the great thing is you can use this either wet or dry shaving. You can even use this with or without foam. You can even use this in the shower. So like I said, it's completely waterproof. Telfun shavers are designed to suit your needs and make shaving enjoyable. Another cool feature about this particular shaver is that you can actually clean this by running this directly underneath water. All you really need to do in order to do that is flip up each of these blades. So if you grab it just like that, you can actually pull up each one of these blades and then run water underneath here and clean all of this out. So super, super simple to use, very, very user-friendly, As you can see, it does have this little swivel head on here, so it will go on the contours of your face. Really, really nice. And just for a quick little product demonstration, you can see how small it is in my hand. Real tiny, and has this little pivot head here, so it does fit the contours of your face. So you can easily shave not only your face, but also you can add little attachments here, so this actually will pop off. And it's extremely simple to change the heads on these, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this little attachment on, which is used for nose hairs. So all you really need to do is grab the head here, pull it straight off, take the new one, push it into place. It also does have this little nice protective cap here, perfect for storage. And now you're ready to go. And then once again, to take this off, you just need to grab it, pull it off. You can put on one of the other heads, back to the shaver, clicks right into place. Really, really nice. Super, super easy to read the LED display here. And then for charging, it does have this small little port down here. So once again, you've got this USB wire here, and it plugs right in, only goes in one way. And then you can actually plug this into any USB port, whether it be a laptop, iPhone charger, whatever the case may be. So extremely fast charging as well, so that way you're up and ready to go in no time. This little shaver makes the perfect gift, and once again, perfect for traveling, just how small in size this is. And once again, you have the really nice case that comes with it. That way you can easily transport it, take it with you on any trips that you might be going on. I really think this is a great product, and I highly recommend it.